Imagine a job where a single mistake doesn't just cost money, it costs a human life. Imagine a career where your normal workday begins when someone else's worst nightmare starts. That is the reality of doctor. July 1st is National Doctor Day. We celebrate this specific day to honor the birth and legacy of Dr. Bidan Chandra Roy, a legendary physician and a freedom fighter who dedicated every single breath of his life to healing the poor. It is our collective pause to say thank you to an entire fraternity that keeps humanity alive. We often call doctors superheroes, but that label hides the truth. Superheroes don't bleed. Superheroes don't get tired. But doctors are humans. They feel the exhausting weight of 24-hour shift. They feel the crushing grief when a patient cannot be saved. Yet, day after day, they step back into the same storm. White coat they wear isn't just a uniform. It's a shield of hope for a frightened family. When the world panicked during the dark days of illness, doctors didn't hide. They ran to a danger so that we could safely stand on this land today. Let us promise today to give them the one thing they truly deserve, our unwavering respect. Thank you. Jai Hind.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ವೈದ್ಯ ಜುಲೈ 1 ಹೃದಯಸ್ಪರ್ಶಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕವಿತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ದೇವರೆಂದೇ ಕರೆಯುವೆವು, ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ದೇವರು ನೀವು, ನೋವಿನ ಕತ್ತಲೆಗೆ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ದೀಪವು ನೀವು, ರೋಗಿಗಳ ಪಾಲಿನ ಸಂಜೀವಿನಿ ನೀವು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ನೀಡುವ ಕೈಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮವು. ಗಂಟೆಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ದುಡಿಯುವಿರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖದ ನಗಿಗಾಗಿ ಹಗಲಿರುಳು ಶ್ರಮಿಸುವಿರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಣದ ಹಂಗನ್ನು ತೊರೆದು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವಿರಿ, ಭಗವಂತನ ರೂಪಾಗಿ ಜೀವ ಉಳಿಸುವಿರಿ. ನಗುಮುಖದ ಮಾತುಗಳಿಂದ ಅರ್ಧ ರೋಗ ಮಾಯ, ಸದಾಕಾಲ ಇರಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಗುಮುಖ. ವೈದ್ಯೋ ನಾರಾಯಣೋ ಹರಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುವುದು ನಾವು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.